What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So, going over Bitcoin, currently we're sitting at 30,871, up about almost 5% on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 583 billion. 24-hour volume, 28.24 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. Grab one of their incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So here's Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame. So we pushed up, we invalidated our ABC corrective triangle, which is perfectly okay. We are still in a corrective wave 4 until the wave 4 high is broken, and we can just be going through a larger ABC correction. If I turn on the lines here, just a little something like this, we came up, we created A, B, C before seeing that final wave 5 down. Of course, it can be invalidated if we were to break that high and head up to 33 to 34K, then we're going through a larger wave 4 in my opinion. But as of right now, Bitcoin is just range bound, currently bouncing in between about 30 to 30, almost 31K, and about 28.3 to about 29,000, just picking up liquidity. It shoots up, everybody goes long, they trap the longs, they push it back down, and they liquidate the shorts on the pump up. And they've been doing that now since the beginning of May, basically. They bounce up, take that liquidity, come back down, everyone starts going short, pushes back up, liquidates the shorts, everyone goes long, liquidate again. And we've just been going back and forth in this range here. So what you can do is trade the range, take a long at the bottom, sell the top, take a short, and just trade the range for BTC. I did take a couple shorts during this consolidation, but right now I haven't been trading too much, just because you can definitely lose money when we're going through a wave 4 correction and we're going through this kind of consolidation, as we have had quite a few fake outs. So once again, we pushed up to about 30.5K. Everyone jumps into long positions. They grab the liquidity and the price comes back down. Of course, we could see continuation to the upside here and push all the way up to the technical target of 33K, but I wouldn't get too excited and wouldn't chase the green candles. Of course, it's not financial advice, it's just my opinion, until we come up and break that high of about 31.3K. This could easily just be another bull trap and we come right back down into the pattern. If we zoom into the 30-minute time frame, we'll see if we can see any bearish divergence here on the 30-minute. Yeah, so no bearish divergence just yet. So we do have a little bit of like a bull flag, bull pennant pattern going on here. Just be very cautious if you are entering long positions. And you would measure your flagpole. I usually like to take it from the point of breakout, and that could take Bitcoin all the way up to about 31.8K. It is a holiday in the US today, so there will be less trading. So just be very cautious if you are in a long position, in my opinion. As you can see here, every time we've pushed up to this box, we have come back down. So what you would want to see, the bullish scenarios, we push above it, we hold it as support, we break that previous high, and we see that continuation back to the upside, or we simply get rejected and we fall back down into this pattern. Once again, we are yet to come down and fill this wick here at about 25,000. I still have more of a bearish to the downside overall, and now we could see that continuation for our fifth wave down to 22 to 24K, even if we were to push up to 33 to 34,000. But we'll see what happens over the next day or so, if we just roll over or if we actually continue to push up and break 31K, break that high, and see a larger wave 4 correction. So if we pop over to our next chart here, which is on the weekly time frame, I still do believe we're coming down to the 200-week moving average, as we have every single time we broke down from the 5-day Gaussian channel, as I've been mentioning in previous videos. Corona dump, 200-week moving average. Bear market of 2018, 200-week moving average, and the bear market way back in 2015, we came right down to the 200-week moving average. Currently, that is coming in at that 22K price target, and we still have room to come down on the RSI, as we did have a bearish divergence, and usually on the weekly it's going to come right down to oversold before seeing that bounce back to the upside. As you can see right here in the bear market, we came right down to oversold on the RSI, as well as in the bear market of 2015, right down to oversold on the RSI. So we still do have a little bit of room to come down here, and I am still targeting that 22 to 24K level. That is it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord, over 1,900 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. crypto. The DCA trade strategy, very simple method of trading. The DCA charts for the live dollar cost average trades on the channel. Buy and take profit zones if you want to start dollar cost averaging into your altcoin positions. And my trade signals coming in at the $10 membership for my exact entries, exits, take profits. You can sign up through the Patreon and make sure to sign up to Bybit. That's where I do all my trading, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.